how to change edge lighting effects like a pro on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. So you will see notifications is here, so click on notifications. Now here, so click on notification pop-up style. So after click on notification pop-up style, so click on add lighting effects. So after click on add lighting effects, so if you want to change edge lighting effect, so you will select lighting effect from here. So after selecting style, click on done. So after click on done, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change edge lighting effects like a pro on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.